Hello friends, welcome to another episode of SSS Magic. What is this? This is an origami swan. Isn't that beautiful? Let's look at the steps to make this beautiful model. Let's look at the steps to make this origami swan. This model comes out nicely if you use a good quality origami paper as seen here. You can also make this with plain A4 sheet paper, but the model will look beautiful if you can get origami paper. Let's get started. Take the origami square paper. Let's start doing some folds. We will first do a triangle fold. Make the triangle on both sides. Turn it, make the triangle on both sides. Once we do the triangle fold, we will do the rectangular fold. Fold it on one side, then fold it on the other side. It's very important to get these folds and creases aligned so that when we do the steps, the process will become easier. Once you have done both those, once again do the triangle fold. Hold the model like this in your hand and press like this, and you should be able to create a fold like this. Don't worry, sometimes the steps might take more than once, but eventually if you get your creases right, they will be alright. Likewise, take this and do it on the other side. Your model should look like this now. Once you have this step completed, take any one corner and make it in the shape of a kite by folding one edge as shown like this. Take another edge and fold it like this. It will look like this. Your model should look something like this. Once you have done this step, open it up and open the place where you did the fold like this. Take your hands inside and adjust them as shown here. Like this. Turn on the other side, same way, open the flap, adjust the fold inside, then it should look like this. Once you arrive at this particular shape, take one edge and fold them in the center as shown. Likewise, do it on the other side as shown. The same step has to be repeated on the other side. Fold it like this and then fold it like this. Your model should look something like this. Once you have arrived at this particular shape, hold it in the center and turn it around once like this as shown. Flip it over, turn the opposite side now. It should look something like this. Once you have this, fold this model upwards, turn it around, fold this side also upwards. Then it should look like this. Once you have done this, take one side, fold it here, turn it around and fold it here. It should look like this. Now just take this flap and put it down, take this flap and put it down. If you have arrived at this particular position, your model should look something like this. Now all is left for us is to make the beak of the bird. Let's take any one corner, take this edge here, bend it slightly down and then create a beak shape like this. Once you have done this, take both the edges of the swan and gently pull it. As you can see, it will expand in the center. Then just adjust the wings of the swan on both sides. And there you go. That's a completed model of an origami swan. This takes a bit of practice. Once you have done this over and over again, you will get the shape. Make sure you get your creases aligned properly and continue to practice them. This is really a beautiful model and can really teach you quite a bit about the basics of folding. Please enjoy making this model and let us know what difficulties you had. And please also subscribe to our channel for more fun videos like this. Thank you for watching SSS Magic.